Good morning. It is Saturday, December 3rd, 2016. I'm KC9, VUL, and we're here at the Mount Morenci Cemetery Church to do the monthly Siren test. As a ham, we help out Tippecanoe County Emergency Management on a monthly basis at various locations, testing to make sure that the warning sirens are operating as they're supposed to. On occasion there's some challenges, so the monthly report seems to help out everybody and provides a few hours of public service. Kind of a good way to volunteer. Here is the siren that we're testing today. Watching the observation of it as far as whether it's operational or not. We'll kind of zoom in up here at the top to give you an idea. This is a stationary siren. It is not rotational. You'll hear the sounds here shortly. We're in our vehicle, and this radio is Yaesu BX7R, and it's able to get up into the 800 meg side, so we're able to monitor some of the local public service conversations. And here's the radio that we'll be using. It is a Bofang, and it's currently tuned to the local wires repeater, and you'll hear some more detail on that shortly. It appears that the church has changed names now. It's now for the Forever Grace Church. It's kind of neat. It's nice to see that the church is being occupied. Kind of pan over and zoom up a little bit, give you an idea what the church looks like. Country church, beautiful countryside. Pan a little bit to the left. And there's the siren that we talked about earlier.
Tango Net Control for Tippecanoe County, Indiana Amateur Radio Emergency Service. This is an Aries tactical net in direct support of Tippecanoe County Emergency Management Agency, also known as TEMA. Please do not transmit unless asked to do so by net control. Stations with emergency or priority communications may interrupt at any time and will be immediately acknowledged. Should this repeater become unavailable or unsuitable for use during the net, continue to listen to this frequency for information and instructions provided by the net control. In 9GKE, are you ready to serve as alternate net control?
In 9GKE.
Thank you, sir. This is the first Saturday of the month, and Tippecanoe County is scheduled to activate the outdoor warning sirens at 11 a.m. local time to test their functionality. The mission of this net is to coordinate the coverage of certain sirens that have been assigned by TEMA to amateur radio, collect the status of all warning sirens that are reported, and pass this data to TEMA for their analysis. If you plan to report a specific siren, please indicate the siren number, if known, and the name of its location as you check into the net. Please refer to the list of warning sirens available at w9tca.com for siren numbers and location names. We ask that you observe the following protocol. Check into the net by stating only your call sign using standard phonetics. Indicate if you're mobile, and give the siren number and the name of its location if you know it. Stations whose call sign suffix begins with Alpha through Foxtrot. Call now.
Whiskey Romeo 9 Alpha Mobile. Siren 1202, Wainwright Middle School.
And stations whose call sign suffix begins Tango through Zulu. Call now.
Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Uniform Lima. Mobile. Siren 0501. Mount Morenci Cemetery.
W9YBZ, Siren 0608, here we go.
report siren status. We will first call those stations who've checked in previously, followed by a call for any others who would like to report the status of a warning siren. If your siren is not working at all, it should be reported as not sounding. Sirens working as expected should be reported as fully operational. When you are called by net control, please report using this format: siren number if you know it, and its location name, followed by the status of the siren, and ending your transmission with your call sign. WR9A, net control.
Siren 1202, fully operational. WR9A.
Thank you, sir. AB9EN. WB9SWD from net control. In 9PCT.
In 9PCT, Siren 0605, West Lafayette High School, fully operational. In 9PCT.
Thank you, sir. KC9VUL.
Siren 0501, Mount Morency Cemetery, fully operational. KC9, VUL.
Thank you, sir. And W9YDC.
02 Ball Street near Linwood Elementary, KD9 EIV. Fully,
Thank you, sir. And the status of that siren?
fully operational.
Thank you. And KD9DVB.
Siren 1107 at number 2 Block Meyer Way, fully operational. KD9 DVB mobile.
Thank you. And WB9SWD, do you copy net control? This has been an Aries Tactical Net in direct support of the Tippecanoe County Emergency Management Agency. This net is now terminated. We want to thank the repeater owners and trustees for the use and availability of their systems. Thanks to everyone who took the time and effort to participate and report the status of a warning siren. The next scheduled Aries Net will be Monday evening at 2000 hours local time. The next warning siren test will be held at 10:45 a.m. on the first Saturday of next month. This is N9NWT net control for Tippecanoe County Aries, closing this tactical net at 11:09 and returning the frequency to normal use. Just wanted to check with you for a count, sir. I had 16 and 6.
Okay, not sure what happened here. I have just, besides you and I have 13 stations reported on sirens and 1 no report.
That should line up then. I have 13 reports, plus the 1 and plus the 2 of us.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yep. Okay, we're good.
Awesome. Thank you for helping out this morning.
Nice job. Thank you for being down there. That's tremendous. N9NWT, N9GK, 73.
Yeah, I'll be reaching out with an email probably later today with some